everybody shops, right? We buy groceries, we might buy gas for our car, we go out and eat at restaurants from time to time. Like, we actually go and spend money online. All of these things that you are already doing can actually reward you in the form of money. That's right. By doing things you're already doing. This is not a gimmick, guys. I was not a believer at first, and I've been using this app now for the last few months, and I'm sold. So I'm sharing it with you all, with my viewers, so you can get in on this action too. But before I tell you about this app and all of the wonderful benefits, I just wanted to say, welcome to the channel. My name is Heather, and this is Dollar for Dollar. And on this channel, I provide financial tips and tricks to help you achieve financial freedom. So let's talk this awesome app. Well, let me start by saying the app is called Fetch. And at first, you're like, well, what does that have to do with shopping? Honestly, I don't really know, except for the fact that I am fetching rewards, right? So download this app, and if you do, and you scan your first receipt and you use my referral code below in the description, you will get a bonus 2,000 points. That's right, just for scanning your first receipt. And literally, guys, the way you earn points is by scanning receipts to places you've already shopped at. Now, I will say they give you a time limit on how long you can wait to scan a receipt, so I've just made it a habit that, every time I go and buy something and I get my receipt, I scan it that day or, shortly after I leave so that I don't forget and it's not requiring me to stack up a bunch of receipts. But you have something like 2 weeks from the date of your purchase to scan your receipt and to get points. And what I absolutely love about this app is I'm not doing anything different in my daily routine. Like, I just bought groceries yesterday, and I go ahead, I buy my groceries like I normally would, I scan my receipt, I get points, and now I have points available that I can redeem for cash, that I can redeem for gift cards. And these are not places, by the way, that you're like, ugh, nobody wants to shop there. These are great places. Places like Amazon, for example, which who doesn't want an Amazon gift card these days, right? They have hundreds, if not thousands, of places that you can choose from when you go to redeem your points for a gift card. And what I love is that the points you get are not based on the amount of money you spend. They're actually based on the items that you're buying. So when they do these special promotions, like a Huggies promotion right now, you're gonna get bonus points for having Huggies on your receipt compared to like, oh, I have to spend $500 to even get, 50 points. It doesn't work like that. What I've noticed on the app after several months is that typically the average receipt's going to give you about 25 points. And what's important to note here is for most gift cards, 1,000 points is the equivalent of $1. And you can't redeem your first gift card until you hit a minimum of 5,000 points. So the lowest gift card balance you can get is a $5 gift card. But that's totally okay. I've literally used this thing for, I think, less than 3 months, and I've already got something like 12,000 points. So you can get up there pretty quickly. So leave me a comment below. Are you going to download this app? Did you even hear of this app before I mentioned it? Because I'd only recently heard of it. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and I hope to catch you on the next video.